Hi everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video, and I'm going to show y'all how to braze two pieces of copper pipe together without a coupling. What I've got here is a piece of 7/8 OD copper and some 3/4 OD refrigeration copper. I'm going to braze them together. Now they make a reducer to go from 7/8 to 3/4. I don't have one. What you can do is just take the 7/8, the 3/4 will slide right into the 7/8. Well, really this is 3/4 plumbing copper and 5/8 plumbing copper, but we're using refrigeration copper, which is 7/8 and 3/4. So 3/4 OD, 7/8 OD. When you're doing refrigeration copper, use outside diameter. Let me get the torch going, and we'll get our brazing. It's going to be a tough one. I think we can do it though. I'm going to have to really get her hot. You can hear it sizzling. Getting it red hot now. That's how to braze two pieces of copper. And this little matte back torch will braze 7/8 copper. That's some good. I mean, that right there, that's a pretty good braze joint. Let me cool it off. That thing was hot. That's not too hot anymore. There's all this black soot that came off of it. But that right there, that's how you braze copper. See, that right there, see? That's a pretty good braze joint. I'm going to do another one for y'all just to show y'all in just a minute. But that's a pretty good braze joint right there. Let me show y'all, that's a pretty good braze joint. We're going to do some up here on my workbench. Up here. A little bit up here.